Hey everyone! If your Android apps keep closing when they're running in the background, maybe your music stops, your downloads fail, or your messages don't come in. This video is for you. Today I'll show you how to fix this problem by changing your battery settings so your apps stay alive in the background. First, let's talk about why this happens. Most Android phones have aggressive battery optimization features. When your phone wants to save power, it kills apps running in the background, even if you don't want it to. This happens in Xiaomi, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, and even Google Pixel. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings, go to Apps, and Manage Apps. Find the app that keeps closing. Tap Battery or Background Usage Limits. Change it to No Restriction, or Don't Optimize, or Allow Background Activity. This will stop your phone from shutting down the app automatically. Next, we need to check background restrictions. Go to Settings, go to Apps, and Manage Apps. Choose the app. Turn off Pause App Activity if unused, or tap Allow or Remove Restriction. Now, your app can run freely in the background. Some phones also have advanced power saving modes like Ultra Battery Saver, Super Power Saving Mode, MIUI Battery Saver, Adaptive Battery, App Sleep, or Deep Sleep. If these are enabled, your apps will close in the background every time. Just turn them off while using important apps. And that's it. After changing the settings, your apps should stop closing in the background and everything will run smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.